Good afternoon, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, January the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the 4 stars and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with these 2 regular puzzles. News of today. Well, told you earlier, in a half year Olympic Games will be held in Paris, yeah, in France. All right, in half year, yeah, in a half year, the Olympic Summer Games. All right, 4 stars Sudoku. This will be number, I believe, number 7875. Oh, well. All right, 7875. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 26, I believe. Yeah, 26 pointed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, in additional, a puzzle with 26 pointed digits should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, you need, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 2 stars puzzle or a 4 stars puzzle? We'll see, so let's get started. Alright, let me see. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 place left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 3 in this row? 3 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Interesting. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the third column is a number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in the third column should be there. Okay. I need a 4 here. Let me see. 6 here. 2 and the 4. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. How about these 3? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4, 7. And 7, 8, and then 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 9, 9. Well. Let me think. 5, 5. Come on. Need a 2 here. 2, 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5 here. Well. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 8 should be there. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. Okay. 3, then 9. The 1, yeah. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 1. We have 1 in this big square, so the 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in the middle column could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only two place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2, 4, 7. Need a 1 there. Need a 7 here. 9 there. Need a 6 here. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Here, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this third column for number 8. Alright. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only two place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Then we need a 9 here. Okay, we need a 9 there. Okay. Need a 4. Here I need also a 4. Need a 2. Need a 7. 7. Okay. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Nope. Yeah. No 6 here. 6, 5, 5, 5. Come on. Need a 6 here or there. Let me think. Let me think. Need an 8 here. But the 8. 8. No. Yeah. Come on. Must be a hidden number. These two missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4. But it's not helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 4, 2. Need a 2 here. 6, 7, 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. Need a 1 here. Come on, come on. No, 7, 3. Well, well. Ay. 8, 2. 6. Thinking. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. So we need a 4 here. We need a 4. 4. Need a 4 here. Well. Need a 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 3 in the last column, no 3 in that box, so 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have all the 3s, yes, and all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is one number 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. So the 7 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 7 in the last row. No 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. One is the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. Here 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1. 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Right. Then 249, 249. Come on. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2, 4, and the 6. Yeah. I need a 1 here. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, 8. Come on, come on, come on. Do we have all the 9s? Nope. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 place left on 9. Could be here, could be there. 6, need a 5. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 place left on the 5. Could be here, could be there. 2, 4, and a 6. Okay. But the 4. Well, 4 could be here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place left on 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So here 2 missing numbers in this row, first row, 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are missing. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 and the 4 are missing. Here 1 box left in this column for the 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah. Well, mark this box with 2 or 4. We have a 2 here, so this box should be a 4. And I mark those 2 boxes with the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for the 1. 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. 1 box left in the last column for 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And 1 box left in the first column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5 here. The 5 should be there then. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Oh, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 or 4, we have a 4 now in this row, so this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time. Definitely a 2 stars then. Yeah, definitely a 2 stars. Because I've indicated with 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, so this in 90 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Yeah, we have 1 puzzle left, the regular puzzle killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.